Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. My name is Sorlaria Bilgewater, and I'm here to talk to you about an absolute classic fragrance, Dragon's Blood. A year-round favorite, Dragon's Blood is a potent and earthy fragrance infused with cedarwood, orange, and patchouli essential oils. It has a distinct profile with top notes of orange, suffused with middle notes of rose, and rounded out with base notes of cedar. Combining these sweet and spicy notes has formed a sophisticated, complex blend. Indeed, we take every pain to organically harvest blood only from cage-free, free-range dragons in order to deliver the highest quality scents. Although Dragon's Blood was made popular with incense, it has gained renown in soap and candles, becoming one of our most popular products in all the land. So whether used for meditation before doing battle against Tiamat, or in an ancient dragon ritual, this is the scent for you. Now if you'll excuse me, I've got a dragon to slay.